Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MSVCR110.dll is missing from computer. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and search Visual C++ Redistributables 2012 and press enter. Select the first site. Select the download option. Checkmark x86 and checkmark x64 and select download option. After getting download done, you just need to install it both. Do the same thing for x86. After the installation done, just go to search menu and type cmd. I'll go to the command prompt and select unnecessary administrator and select yes. Now type sfc space slash scan and now and press enter. You just need to wait for this scan to get 100% complete. After getting this 100% complete, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.